Hydrogen energy is the power source of our dreams and is set to become the main source of energy in the future. Hyundai has long been preparing for exactly such a future. The history of Hyundai's research and development, fuel cell technology, goes back more than 20 years. Hyundai Motor Company's development of fuel cell electric vehicles started in 1998. In 2013, Hyundai's Tucson iX35 fuel cell was released, becoming the world's first mass-produced FCEV. In 2018, Hyundai wrote a new chapter in the history of hydrogen fuel cells as it began mass production of the next generation Nexo FCEV. In 2019, Hyundai became the world's #1 seller of hydrogen-powered vehicles and began to apply FCEV technology to the mass production of eco-friendly buses and trucks. In 2020, Hyundai Motor Company launched the Hyundai XCIENT fuel cell, the first vehicle of its kind in the world. Created for mass production, this endeavor is unique to Hyundai alone, creating a paradigm shift in the transportation business. The process by which hydrogen becomes energy is quite simple. First, the compressed hydrogen gas that is in the hydrogen storage tank is transferred to the fuel cell system. Here, the hydrogen atoms pass through a membrane where they're divided into hydrogen ions and electrons. The hydrogen ions react with the air's oxygen to become water. The electricity created from the chemical reaction goes through an inverter and is sent to the motor to power the vehicle. All of the core FCEV technologies were independently developed by Hyundai, which in turn answers the question, what makes the Hyundai fuel cell electric vehicles stand out from the rest?
현대자동차가 자체 개발한 연료전지 시스템은 글로벌 최고 수준 기술의 결정체입니다. 이미 양산된 투싼 IS35와 넥소에 탑재된 연료전지 시스템은 모두 워드 10대 베스트 엔진상을 수상하여 그 성능을 입증한 바 있습니다. 넥소의 연료전지 스택은 1만 대 이상의 차량이 판매되어 현재까지 약 2억 킬로미터 이상을 주행함으로써 시스템의 신뢰도를 확보하였으며 엑시언트 수소 전기 트럭에는 한 기당 2대의 스택이 탑재되어 최적의 연비와 성능 그리고 내구를 확보할 수 있도록 정밀하게 설계되었습니다.
As the first automaker to successfully commercialize FCEV technology and prove the viability of hydrogen-powered vehicles, Hyundai has emerged as a leading voice advocating for the shift to a hydrogen-driven economy. Renewable and limitless in supply, hydrogen is the positive energy for a better tomorrow.
Hyundai Motor Company's philosophy is a world without pollution and to create a sustainable future. With our vision towards the hydrogen society, Hyundai introduces a truck that combines hydrogen production, supply, and usage together. In our fuel cell electric truck, XCIENT Fuel Cell, we combine 2 fuel cell systems from Nexo with a high-voltage battery and an e-motor. With this emission-free propulsion system, we present powerful and emission-free uphill driving while recuperating the energy for braking downhill. Zero-emission driving has coupled with the best performance and the best efficiency to support our customers' TCO. The best part is, this truck is not just a zero-emission vehicle, it even purifies polluted air while driving. And water is the only byproduct from this process. If we replace a diesel truck of the same class with the XCIENT fuel cell, we can significantly improve the environment by reducing around 70 tons of CO2 per year, which would have been otherwise emitted to the atmosphere.
The XCIENT fuel cell provides its users with both economic benefits as well as efficiency. For fuel cell electric trucks, the biggest benefit will be the light fuel cell battery system, which is optimal for long-distance, heavy-duty trucking. In addition, Hyundai fuel cell electric trucks only take between 8 to 20 minutes to charge, maximizing uptime and optimizing fleet performance.
이번에 개발한 엑시언트 수소전기 트럭의 출력은 기존의 내연기관이 탑재된 차량들과 견주어도 전혀 손색 없는 성능을 자랑합니다. 스위스 현지 운행 조건을 고려한 개발로 오르막에서도 만족할 만한 수준의 동력 성능과 안정적인 주행이 가능하도록 연료전지 스택, 모터, 변속기 등을 최적화하여 최고 성능을 구현하였습니다.
Quality and safety cannot be compromised and are of the utmost importance. Why? Because our trucks are designed with professional drivers in mind. The truckers' livelihood depends on the reliability of Hyundai trucks. Our goal is to design trucks that can be driven hassle-free over long distances. The XCIENT fuel cell provides both safety and comfort. Now, cargo truck drivers can expect the kind of quiet and smooth driving offered by electric passenger vehicles. Even at this moment, we are constantly researching, developing, and setting the bar ever higher to create the safest and most durable technology for our customers. Over the last 50 years, Hyundai has always taken the path of putting people first. Hyundai Motor Company aspires to build a hydrogen society, a society where technology continues to make progress for the betterment of humanity and the environment. Hyundai Motor Company is creating a paradigm shift using eco-friendly hydrogen power, and we want to proactively fight against climate change. Sustainable progress is no longer an area of mere dreams and imagination. Hyundai Fuel Cell Electric Truck makes possible a future that once seemed out of reach. To continue the history of mankind, to work toward a hopeful future, the XCIENT fuel cell is perfectly equipped and prepared to go forth. Progress for humanity. XCIENT fuel cell.